channel. It's your girl Cheche. Okay, so today is going to be like another vlog, a Christmas vlog. So it's been a very boring Christmas for me, child. This is like 29. So my friend was like, let's go for like a boat cruise, and I'm like, why not? I've been sleeping all Christmas and walking, sleeping and walking, and it sucks. So I'm like, I need to take a break, which I'm taking today. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys along. Okay, so this is my first Christmas in Sydney. So I can't wait to see what the whole boat cruise is all about. And of course, I'll take you guys along. Why not? Why not? Alright guys, so just keep on watching. Okay. You have to go. You must show. Why won't you show? So he's shy. Why is he shy? Are you camera shy?
Yes.
I'm asking this boy to tell us where we are going to. He's telling me it's going to be a surprise. Jason, say hi to the camera. I love for you. Oti, say hi.
Hi guys, welcome. Annyeonghaseyo. My name is Glory. Yeah, she's running away from the camera. I don't know why. Hey, Cheche. So today we are going to where?
I've been trying to invite Oti to my vlog. I don't know what to do.
Get in here, get in here, get in here.
You're inviting me. You're going to pay me. It's not fair. Look at this one.
Alright, so today is the 29th of December. We decided to do something for ourselves, right, girls? So we're going on a boat cruise. Alright, now what are the requirements for a boat cruise? If you're going on a boat cruise, this is what you have to get. Your jacket. That's the first and foremost thing. It gets really cold out there, and you think you're strong, and then you're shivering, and then you have to be indoors, and it's not as much fun. Yeah. So our ride is here, and we have to go. So we'll continue this on the road. See you.
In the boat.
Bye.
So we are here. Let me show you some fine people that I know.
Hello, people. Hey, say something to the camera.
Hey guys, who here?
Jeremiah is my name.
Jeremiah is your name.
Boat cruise. What are you here for?
What are we here for? What are we here for?
We're here for boat.
Wait, so we drove 2 hours. I don't know what we're here for.
The weather is kind of a bit cloudy, but we'll see how the day goes.
We'll see how the day goes.
guys, it's your girl Glory again.
It's so close.
Yes, it is.
It's already started. It's already on.
Yes. So we're on the boat. Hi. All right. This is what the boat does say. You know what? How I told you that the most important gadget is your jacket? Yes, I got it on because it got really cold at all. Currently there is that person. What's he doing? Kayaking. All right. Should we try that as our next experiment? Try kayaking. Oh my god, it is so cold. Like, it is super cold. Yeah, I'm glad I have my jacket on because usually I get like really cold and I'm not fun if I'm cold. Yay! Oh, she wants me to start my YouTube channel. I am as lazy as what's very lazy. Yeah, exactly. And then my hair is going all over the place and it's not making me look pretty. I guess I'm pretty is not part of the video, right? I know. What I would just do is voice over on people's videos. She's laughing at me. You want me to do voiceover over your video?
Guys, tell us about our own channel. Tell her in the comment section. Start our own channel. She's good.
Oh, sorry. I only know how to talk. No, the channel is about talking, right? But
Yeah, you can
I can talk. I can talk. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? Oh my god. Oh my god. And look at him. Look at him. Look at us. We had such an amazing time, didn't we?
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. It was like
I wanted everyone to join.
I am trying to do an outro here, people.
That's so cute.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I was going to wait till I get home to like finish the video, but my battery's like really low, so I have to end this vlog here. And we had like an amazing time. Oh, to say bye. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Woo!